Bro, will you tell me the address?
I don't know.
Kittu, see who has come.
Oh, this guy. You are here?
Good morning, sir. Sir, is there any person named Engine Oil Ram Prasad here?
Huh? Engine Oil Ram Prasad? There is no such person here.
Hey, I told you here. He has spoiled my mind. You see once, right?
Who is this person spoiled my mind? Let's go and see. Come to the balcony.
Come, sir.
Ayo, Ram Prasad. I have been thinking about you for a long time. Who is that Ram Prasad?
He's my friend, sir.
And who are you?
I'm his friend, sir. We studied together in village when we were kids, sir. We used to play marbles too. I have informed him too. Just look here, sir. This is his address, right?
Oh my god, the address is correct. Choto, is there any Engine Oil Ram Prasad in this flat?
Excuse me, sir. Your wife understand all the men about in the flat better than us.
Hey, shut up. There is no such man in our flat.
Sir, I'm not lying, sir. I have came to the city in trust of my friend, sir. What will I do now, sir?
What's going on?
Huh? Hey, Engine Oil, you are there, no? Why didn't you come to station to pick up me, man? I informed you earlier, no?
Hey, Sunny, is your name Ram Prasad really?
Not just Ram Prasad, Engine Oil Ram Prasad.
What a disgusting name. Shit. Let's go.
Sir, he's actually my friend. Let him come upstairs. Hey, you come.
Huh?
Hello? Come on in. Come on. Hey, what happened to you? Hey, come here.
Hey, you should have come in the lift, right?
I wanted to come, but there was a girl in the lift. But she was alone and calling me to come inside.
How could I come, man?
How should I come? She is a young girl, she is standing alone. How could I get in that lift?
Hey, man, this is not our village. This is city. First learn how to live here. You ruined my reputation completely. Come on, let's go. His name is Riaz. He is a computer engineer.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
And this is Chotu from Flat DC.
Do you want a chocolate?
I'm sorry, I didn't smoke at all.
Huh? Cigarette? This villager does not even know about the cigarettes and chocolates. What a
Riaz,
man.
he is a childhood friend of mine. His name's Sonu. He's from my village.
What happened? Where the strange smell coming from all of a sudden?
I applied oil to my hair.
Very good. Very good.
Go and take rest.
Come.
Oh man, he must have come from the village standing in the flight. That's why he must be very tired. Go and take rest, man.
Hey,
Huh?
call Sunny.
Oh, Sunny. Engine Oil Ram Prasad.
Hey, I'm coming, man. Huh? See, all this happened because of you. Go inside. What is it?
Who is he?
I told you, right? He's my childhood friend.
Will he stay with you?
Yes, man. He will stay with me until I get a job.
Look, if he wants a job, I will get it for him. But he is not fit to stay here. Look at his face. His smell of oil is making me crazy. Oh God. Ask him to leave from here.
No man, just look at him closely. He just look like an innocent of India. If you give him a place to stay, he will do all the work of our house. I don't know if he will be able to get a job or not, but we can make him to do all the work of our house. Hey Sonu, from today onwards your life is going to be super hit super.
Excuse me,
Tell me, what do you want?
where does boss sit here?
Sir? Oh, MD. Go straight from here and turn left.
Okay.
Check the file immediately. Yes, what can I do for you? What do you want? I'm asking you.
I have came here to ask for work, sir.
Work? You? What work can you do?
I do painting, sir. Look at my painting, sir. Please have a look.
Hello, Shanti. What a surprise. Listen, let's meet tonight. Wait for me at your home, okay? Okay, bye. What was I saying? Yes, about your job, is it? You can join the job from today.
Sir, you are very nice man, sir. I will never forget your
Hey,
favor.
it's all right. I saw your painting and gave you the job. There is no need to be so happy.
You are great, sir. You have given me a good job in such a great company. You are like a god to me, sir.
Hey, this is nothing, my friend. I have to take you to the very, very top. Baba.
So you villagers, you didn't understand what he said, right? He said dumb. He can't even talk and hear. His whole system is bad. And you are asking why are he sad? Are you missing your village? Why? Am I right?
I'm not sad. I don't have anyone for me in my village. That's why I came here to start a good job for me. But I never thought that I would have to paint on the road, bro.
Hey brother, I also wanted to become a great cricket player. Like Sachin Tendulkar, like Mahendra Singh Dhoni. But I lost and become a painter. No problem. Still I'm maintaining my white dress. Listen, this hoarding is my cricket ground. A color box is a cricket ball. This brush is a cricket bat. And he is unable to talk. So he is my umpire. Don't be sad thinking about him. He is a dumb. But he is a great man in the field of girls. He is great player. What? You don't believe me? This is a golmaal. City girls don't need boys. They need stylish talking men. Hello brother, why are you looking at the plane as soon as I said talking? The girl in the plane won't get impressed. Don't daydream, just do the work. He can impress the girl in the plane.
Hey, look, they have come. Go.
Brother? Hi.
Welcome.
Greetings, brother.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you bring the bouquet?
It's not for you. It's for Sweta.
Shweta? Look there.
Hey, where is our Sweta?
She came to India for the first time. Everything must be new to her. That's all right. MLAs and MP make a false promise while dancing and playing after winning, and we fool the Indians.
Yes, you are right.
Hi, Reshma, how are you? Hello.
Hi.
Please, come. Please, come on. Come, I'll introduce you to my friends. Yeah, he is Riaz, computer engineer, working in India.
Hi, I'm Reshma.
Hi.
I'm Priya.
Hi. Hello.
I'm Manju.
He is Mr. Chotu.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, Sonu, what are you staring at? Come here. Hey, come here, man.
Okay.
He's my friend, Sonu.
Hi.
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 I have a AC and soft pillows in my room. Let's go there.
Where is Sonu? Hey, Sonu, come here. Hey, come here, man. Come. Meet all of them. Sonu,
Hi.
get a coffee for everyone.
Get it fast, man. Go.
Let's go.
Okay, come on.
Hey, come on, you too.
Coffee.
Shut. Hey, take the
What
coffee.
are you looking at? Give coffee to everyone.
Give it, man. Give it, yeah.
Here is your coffee.
Hey, what's your program today?
Hey, take the coffee. I will drink it. You go from here. Go, man. Go.
Hey, listen. Who's he? Why didn't you introduce him to me?
Yeah, he's my friend.
Friend, he had an amulet around his neck, hair in the ears. He was looking very bad. He was smiling so bad, wasn't he?
He's from the village. He must be spelling bad.
But Sunny, where did you find him? It would have been better if he had a little bit of English. Don't keep him at home, okay?
I don't know where Sonu has gone. Hey, what are you doing here? Are you wondering how we will go to Singapore through the sea? Why are you so sad?
I don't like anything.
What's the matter? Oh, it's because I didn't introduce you to the girls who came in the morning?
Yes.
Are you fool or what? They are high class girls. They are not your level. They speak English very fluently and you don't know English. First understand, I don't have a girlfriend.
Huh? Is that so?
What do you think?
Chotuji, is there any idea to invite girls to cabin?
Huh?
I just asked for idea. Why are you looking like that?
What are you saying? I'll tell you. Correct.
Huh?
Every boy should look at the girl with the eyes full of love. Then only the girls will fall in love with all the boys.
Really?
Really?
Give me one more idea, please.
Huh? One more idea? It will take time. Time.
What do you mean by time?
If you say time, this watch. This watch is also used to impress girls. Aishwarya Rai also impress. You need a watch. If she asks you time, you have to answer. This is the watch technique, man.
What is that?
You stand at the bus stop, try to talk to a beautiful girl. Ask her time. The girl will tell you the time. After that, you give her a smile. After that, you also get on the bus with the girl. After that, you have to see the girls in the eyes. And then assume the girl is fell in love with you. There is nothing wrong in to follow the girls.
Huh? Excuse me, time please.
Let's go home, I'll tell you.
Oh, very dangerous girl. Let's try with her. Excuse me. Time please.
10:30.
Oh, please wait for a minute.
Yes?
Your shirt is very nice.
Uh-huh.
Your face is even more beautiful, ma'am.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
But this black glass does not look good on your face. If you remove it, can I see your beautiful eyes with my own eyes? Oh my god. Oh.
Doctor, how is he now, doctor?
No problem.
Can you walk, doctor?
Yeah, he can walk. Let him take rest now.
Sonu has met with an accident. Why should I take rest, doctor?
Shut up. I was talking about him. Doctor said is it? Come, let's go out and smoke.
Hey, Chotu. Chotu.
Hey,
Huh?
your close friend is calling you. Go and meet him.
Go.
What, man?
Did you tell anyone how my accident happened?
No, I didn't. I will tell everyone in the city you met with an accident. Listen to me carefully. Look, while painting, your foot slipped and you fell down. I have told everyone the same thing, you also. And please don't open your mouth.
Oh my god, I don't tell anyone.
Very good. I will go on, take a piss. Ah.
Please come here.
Hmm.
Chotu,
Now what?
there is a beautiful nurse here, right?
Yeah, there is.
Then tell me one more idea and I will try with her.
Ah.
What happened, dude? Why are you looking like that for an idea?
Let me think. I will come back and tell you.
Okay.
Hey, why are you laughing? Come here.
What can I do if I don't laugh? The painter's hand broken and it's not even half an hour and he's asking for another idea. Don't laugh so loudly. Listen, we are trying to make him an uncle, but he still doesn't know.
Hey, what does he think of himself? He thinks all of the girls in the city will stand in line in front of him.
If you know how to impress girls, we would have told him. Actually, we don't know what to do. We do. Just say, I love you. Then how will the girl be impressed by him?
He is not educated and he don't even know how to talk to people. He didn't know everything about the girls. How will the girl like him in such a situation?
Hey, you have come here again today? If you ask any girl about the time today, I will break your bones. Go carefully. Go away from here. You are starting at me. Go away.
Excuse me, time please.
9:20.
You could have said the same thing with a smile. Why are you so angry? Don't think so proud of yourself.
She's really a Kalyug, son. There is such insolent girls too. There are such insolent girls too. God has given her everything, but she didn't have the power to talk. She's dumb.
Such a poor thing.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah.
What happened, son?
Hey, what happened, son?
Ooh, Mom.
Say something. What is
I
the
got
matter?
it, Mom. Mom, look, I can't go to America. The dad said so. I got letter from the US. Goodbye to India. Let's go to America.
Congrats, dear. It's good that you are going to America. But think about the girl who came from there.
What happened, Mom? What's the problem? Hey, Sweta, what happened? Don't you like India?
Look, Sweta, as long as you are here, it is our responsibility. Your father calls every day asking about my daughter, how she is. Tell me if you have any problem here.
Nothing like that, uncle. Vicky,
Huh?
is there any institute for dumb people in Ramnagar?
What's there?
I asked a girl about the dance school address, but she's a deaf. I don't understand what she's trying to say. I don't know what to do. Then I met a boy. He was deaf, but he gestured and understand me very well.
What, Sweta? Why do you worry about such a small thing?
No, Vicky. If anyone is born deaf, their life is so difficult.
Excuse me? Hi, I'm Lakshmi.
I'm Shweta.
I heard you came from America to learn dance. You are learning Bharatanatyam? You should wear Bharatanatyam dress. It means you like Indian culture, right?
It's nothing like that. There are some good things in American culture, and so Indian culture too.
Good and bad, what do you mean?
When you all touched the teacher's feet, I really don't like it.
Actually, that is the rules you're following.
Okay, as soon as we become friends, I don't want to make any debate with you. Let's go.
Hello, excuse me.
Yes?
Are you Shushmita's sister?
No, why?
Or Shilpa's sister?
No.
Then why are you walking so fast? Walk slowly.
Stupid.
Hey, why, man?
She spoke so lovingly.
Aishwarya, listen.
Yes,
You were going to show me a film
I
yesterday.
had a lot of
Hey,
work
man.
yesterday. Did you
Oh,
see?
you
her?
see that?
I'll do it.
Her name is Aishwarya, but she is look like a Lalita Power. There are many girls like her in this college. Are we going to find any good girl or not? Aishwarya. Sushmita. Hey, look.
Did you call her?
No, I didn't. I shouted. Super figure. She just went inside. Come on, follow me. She came this side
here?
only.
Where did she go, man? Huh?
Huh?
Let's go and see.
He looks so innocent. God didn't even give him a tongue.
God has made this girl so beautiful, but unfortunately, she made her dumb.
Where did she go? Hey, look there. She is the same girl who's standing near the shop. Hey, do you know whom is she talking to now? It's our painter, sir.
He convinced her so soon, man.
I will ask her. Hey, painter, sir.
That day you guys insulted me in front of the girls, no? Now I will show you.
What's with the taste of girls these days? It's an insult. Very insult.
Stop shouting and call her here, man.
Hey, Sonu. Hey, painter.
Hey, painter, come here.
Look here.
Look here, man. Hey, speak louder, man.
Speak louder. Hey, Sonu. Mr. Painter. Can't you hear me? Hey, Sonu. Look how arrogant he has become. He is not listen. Even me, I'm talking like a dog. Sonu. Sonu. Sonu.
I think he's gone mad.
He's ignoring me even after hearing my voice, rascal. Did you see that?
This scoundrel fooled a girl and forgot all of us. It's time. It's time.
Hey, leave it now. When he comes home tonight, we'll ask whom that girl is.
Huh?
Who was that girl?
Which girl?
That's what we are asking. The girl whom you were talking in the morning at the shopping mall. The same girl.
Oh, that girl. She is my girlfriend, man.
What?
Yeah, girlfriend.
How long has that girl known you?
About 2 months. Why are you asking now?
Hey, you illiterate. It's only been 8 days and you already fooled a girl for 2 months.
Why? Is 2 months too much to make a girlfriend? Huh?
It's not like that, Mr. Painter. I think the girl has studied in the abroad and you have studied at the village square. Then how did you know about the girl, man?
You won't understand if I tell you. It's an art, man.
Time, friend. Time.
But I've seen that girl somewhere in my area, man.
What? In your area? That girl? Listen, brothers. You must have gone to Jagdamba Center, Universal Ladies Hostel, Government Hospital for an unexperienced nurse. Do you understand? This is your range. But this girl is a little above your range, you know.
Why are you insulting me?
This is too much, yeah?
Not too much, my dear friends. If I tell you the truth, you will feel bad. Because I'm roaming with a beautiful girl. You're not able to bear it. Okay, let's do one thing. I will talk to my girlfriend and get you introduced to girls suitable for you. That's it. Okay? Huh? Shall I leave now? Oh, by the way, Mr. Chotu, can you wake me at 5:30 tomorrow morning?
Why are you asking?
I have to go to jogging with that girl now. Oh, you want any chocolate?
Thank you.
No? Okay. Oh.
Hey, my gut says I am the one who has to go.
Listen, give me 2 days. I will get all details of that girl.
Please mercy on me, sir. Sir, please mercy on me. Sir, I am disabled person, sir. Please mercy on me. Sir, please have mercy on me. Why have you come so late? Give me something in the name of Allah. Please, sir. Give me. Sister, give me. God will do good to you. Give me. Sister, give me. Help me. God will do good to you. Give me. I am disabled
see?
person.
He's
Give
so
me.
careless
In the
if
name
the
of
signal
Allah.
start-
God will be good to
He'll
you.
get stuck in the
Please have
middle,
mercy
right?
on me.
Nothing
Please
will
have
happen
mercy
to
on
him,
me.
Shweta.
God will do good to you. Sister, brother, give me. Please help
Nothing
me.
will happen to
God
him.
will be
Don't
good to
worry.
you. Please
What?
offer
Nothing
me
will
something.
happen. Just look at him.
Please have mercy
He's
on me.
taking such a big
Please,
risk.
please mercy on me. Please offer something. Please, God will good to you. In the name of Allah, will bless you always. Please.
My God, I'm getting very tensed. Do I have to spend my life like this for food?
In India, we have to do all this to fill our stomachs. Don't get upset for small things.
It's not like that. I felt that what if we met with an accident in a car or truck? I don't know why these people have so many problems in their lives. Poor people.
Stop it. Shweta, come here.
Yes, madam.
Dance doesn't mean just moving your legs. According to dance, it's important to look good. When Krishna saw Satyabhama for the first time, Satyabhama's face was full of shyness. Show me that shyness from you. What is this? You don't even know how to be shy?
Madam, I don't know how to be shy.
You have to learn a lot about your culture. Come and meet me after class. Good morning, madam. Morning. Morning, you can dance properly, but you can't see facial expressions properly.
What should I do for that, madam?
If you want to talk about something, you can talk with your eyes, not with your tongue. Express your feelings and try to make him understand. For example, look at dumb people. Even they don't talk, but they say everything with gestures. You should also try like them. One day you will definitely become a great dancer.
Shweta, this is the girl's name. Born and brought up in Los Angeles City, America. Her parents are professors at the same university.
Shweta has come to India for the first time with her parents from America.
The girl who came to India from, they like to learn Bharatanatyam. That's why she's learning dance from a relative of hers in Vittal Rao's house.
Listen, you painter. We are talking about your girlfriend and that girl. We got all her details that you really don't know. The girl doesn't even know you. And you have jogging with her for 2 months. And you touch the girl's hair. You used to lie to us?
Hey, what I'm saying, it is enough to see a girl once. Whether that girl is ready for friendship or not, or she is ready to do everything, I can tell you in one meeting.
What are you thinking? You must be thinking that how did you find out? Listen, we worked hard day and night to win over many girls and the aunties. You know that's not an easy thing. And they didn't talk about a single word. We are the 3 masterminds. Don't try to fool us. Got it?
Hey, do you know how many boyfriends a girl like Sweta has?
You're lying. A beautiful girl like Sweta has befriended me. That's why you're saying to this me out of your jealous.
Is it? You think we are saying this out of jealousy? Listen, this girl is not a dump. She talks a lot.
You guys are lying. She can never betray me, you know.
She won't betray you. You have so much faith in her. I will tell you about the girl right now. Come with me.
Excuse me. I want to make an IST call.
Go to first cabin.
Thank you.
What happened? You got shocked upon hearing it? Did you hear the girl is talking right now? You want to know in which country that girl talks to which boyfriend in which language? Sapna, where is that girl going to make a call?
Okay, go to third cabin.
Go, brother. Go. Listen to whom the girl is talking to. Go, dear. Go.
Daddy, I'm speaking. But I'm not able to do anything here. It would have been better if I had gone to London. Telephone is always off. Everything is adjustment, Daddy. And on top of that, I can't able to understand boys here. Smile a little. If you make him smile, he'll immediately say, I love you. That's why I feel scared to talk to anyone, Daddy. But one thing, Daddy.
But what?
I met a very nice guy yesterday. He's really nice. He's so nice, Daddy. I like him very much.
Be careful. He might say I love you.
No, Daddy. He can't say it even if he want to.
Why?
Daddy, actually he's a dumb.
Hey, what happened to him, man?
What else? Her boyfriend must have kissed her on the phone. And he definitely heard him.
I don't want to make love. I just want to be friend with him. That's it.
Okay, take care.
Okay, Daddy. I'll call you later. Bye.
Bye, dear. Huh? What? Why are you suddenly acting like a Hollywood hero in the Titanic movie?
Which boyfriend were you talking to? Peter or with Bill Clinton you are talking?
I was not talking to any of them. I was talking to my daddy.
With her
Dada.
dad? What are you talking about?
I was asking my daddy about our marriage, man.
Huh? With you?
Then what? I was asking him whether we should live in India or America after our marriage.
What did her daddy say?
He told me after some discussion.
Then what did that girl say?
After discussing with me, she said that she will tell to her daddy. So there is a lot of work to be done. I have to meet that girl as well. So
What do you mean?
don't you understand the language? Huh? Just get out of my way. Huh?
Oh, he has gone too far.
Time, buddy, time.
What did that girl see in him? Why is he dying
What
for
is
him?
there to die for, man? A paint box in a hand and a pencil on the ear.
Don't worry. There is something wrong. I will find out how he has wooed that girl in 2 days and come to you. We will find it out.
Huh. Why, big brother? Why is your face looking like a torn poster today?
Hey, do you remember the day I told you about the dumb
Yes,
girl?
I remember.
She's really not dumb. In fact, she thinks I am a dumb.
Huh. If she think, let her think. Why are you so scared for a small thing?
I'm not worried about myself. But I'm afraid of friends who are living with me.
Why for?
I'm a villager, no. I don't know fashion, I don't know English. That's why they are always telling me to stay away from girls.
So?
That's why I told them that girl is my lover. If they find out the truth, they will kill me, man.
Hello?
You call me?
Not you, him.
You call him, huh?
Hey, I was talking about that girl only. She thinks I'm dumb, man. What should I do now?
What is there to do, man? Let's call her up. You can pretend to be dumb in front of her. Come on, man.
Hey, I'm got stuck. You're making fun of me. What is this?
Sonu, if your friends see this girl, they'll go crazy. See the drama now.
Ah?
Look, every day these two speak in a dumb language. Now you two speak in the dumb language also, huh? He can't hear properly, but doesn't speak.
Really?
Promise.
I'm sorry. Really sorry. I like this place. Really like your painting. Do you come here to paint every day? My dance class is nearby only. It's so boring after the dance class. If you don't mind, can I come here after the class and spend time with you?
Just nod your head.
No, don't worry. I won't disturb you, okay?
Just do it, man.
Wow, thanks a lot. Come on.
Listen to me. What are you doing here? He is going to break all the things. And you are sitting here and reading the newspaper. Leave the newspaper. Come with me. Go on, ask him what was happened.
What should I ask? What is in this? He didn't study well. He didn't give a proper interview. He is of no use. Your son is very waste. Will he get the visa to America so easily? That is why he is sitting here and eating. Go and stop him, okay?
Sonu, suppose I say I love you to you. Suppose for the time begin, if you have to come to me and say I love you, how will you say it? Sonu, tell me how a gorilla does it in King Kong movie.
Stop it. Don't you have common sense? Why you all are bothering him? He can't speak like you all. You all know that, right? Sonu, you go and stand there. Do you guys think that a decent man is a joker in a circus? Listen, don't you guys feel bad to make a time pass like this?
What do you want to say by scolding us? Aren't you passing time? You are also passing time with him on the pretext of helping him. Let's go.
Sonu, do you have any work tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday, right? You have to go to ad agency and take the order. Okay, I'll come to your office at 5 in the evening. Wait for me, okay? Good.
Sonu, I don't know how you will do it. Till tomorrow, take this. This Tata Indicom hoarding, Citibank hoarding, painting should be completed, okay?
Okay, sir. If I go home, I will be with my friends, and if I stay there, they will spoil me.
Hello? Who is this? Painter Sonu? Just a minute. Hey, Sonu, it's for you.
Hello, this is Sonu here. Who are you?
Sonu, it's me, Riaz. Listen to me. My company has given me a new car, man. Me, Chotu, Sunny are going to Alankar Theatre with our girlfriend. You also bring Sweta there, man.
Shweta? Sorry, she won't go out like this.
Hey, it's a new film, man. It will be fun. She can come happily.
You can also watch the film together.
man. So you bring her to the movie, man.
And we can also meet Sweta.
And yes, we can also meet Sweta.
Look, Riaz, you're wrong here. My girlfriend is a different type of girl. What do you think about my girlfriend, huh? Is she a local type of girl who watches films and roams around you like your girlfriends? Just remember one thing, she is not that range. Oh.
Sonu, do you know what the time is? It's too late. Come on, come on.
Hey, Sonu, where are you going? Hey, man, sir will ask.
Hey, Sonu.
Hey, Sonu, have you gone mad, man?
Sir, I'm not Sonu, I am the attendant.
Attendant? Where is Sonu?
He was talking to you over the phone, and suddenly the girl came, and he suddenly cut the phone and went to the girl.
What did he say? That girl came and he went with him?
Huh?
Was she
What,
fair and
Baba?
good? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Was she beautiful and tall?
Yes, sir. Was she looking like a heroine? Oh, yes, sir. She is looking like a heroine. Is it? He is trapped now.
Yeah.
Yay!
So you haven't been able to talk for 8 years. Hmm?
So, will he be able to talk again, doctor?
Why not? Come here and sit. Come on, sit down. Hello. Turn this side. Relax. Relax.
Don't be scared, Sonu. Nothing will happen.
Show me your tongue. Open your mouth. Come on. Relax. I can't see anything. Let me check your X-ray.
X-ray is fine. It's normal. I will scan it.
Doctor, patient scan report has come from the lab. Vocal cord is normal and cerebral also normal. You have to decide for the next treatment.
Shock treatment.
Sonu,
Everything is fine, but he is not able to talk, huh? I have not seen such a case in my service till now. It's okay. We will try speech therapy.
doctor, speech therapy means?
Speech therapy means to bring out the inner power of the speaker from him. Now you try to talk him in small words, okay? You keep repeating the words daily. In fact, would be better if you try this method for him for a few days, okay? Why don't you do that?
Thank you, doctor. Sonu? Look, Sonu, you repeat after listening to whatever I say, okay? Mama. Apple. Sonu, I'll drop you at home. Come.
Look, Sonu, this is not your show. Otherwise, one day I will follow. You'll open all the secrets. You know, okay?
Okay, Sonu. Don't forget, after reaching home, practice speech therapy.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye, Sonu.
Bye.
Uncle, he is calling you.
Who's that? Who is calling me?
Uncle, you are talking like this, right? That's why he is calling you.
Aren't you ashamed? You not having mother, sister. You say you are blind, dumb, and cheat on a girl to form a friendship. Just do you like it, man?
Why? The day you did ragging with us, pretend for joking for going with a girl, and tomorrow you did cheating with us on the pretext of talking to that girl. We know it.
And yes, that day we asked you. You said you wanted to go to ladies' hostel. And now we know where we can go and whom to speak. Hey, come, let's go.
Riaz, 1 minute. I came to the city to live a better life than the village. I don't have education, money, and fame like you. God has made us different, my friend. He has not made me like you. You are happy to see the nature. You can have fun with girls. I too have the same desire as you have. But I can't have fun with girls like you, my friends. Because rich people like you have filled my heart with inferiority, you know. All my friends who lived with me, teachers who taught me, all of them used to talk to me with love. The boys who used to flirt with girls, whenever I wanted, they used to take me with them. I used to be very happy then. But in front of the girls, those boys used me to show off their smartness and make fun of me every time. But even after enduring all this, I had this firm faith in my heart that my love must be waiting for me somewhere. There must be a girl somewhere who will love me. But I got disappointed. At that time, Shweta came close to me. Her friendship gave me happiness and closeness. That's why I don't want to lose her friendship. That's why I pretended to be a dump in front of Shweta. I thought I would take speech therapy and pretend to be fine in front of her. But I was afraid. I don't want Shweta to leave me and go away after when I get well. That's why I'm still behaving as a dump. I clearly know it's wrong to lie to Shweta and deceive her. But no one in this world can give me the happiness I have got because of this lie. I want to keep this happiness intact for a few days. If you can't bear my friendship for a few days, you can go and end it. I don't stop it anymore.
Okay, bye. Nice meeting you.
Okay, Sunny. Bye.
Bye,
See you.
Shweta.
Bye.
Hey, Sonu, speak softly and then come.
Why Riaz didn't come? Where is this wind coming from? Sonu, he's abusing me and you're thanking him. See what he's doing.
Hey,
Turn the fan this
turn
side.
the fan
There's a
this
nice
side.
item sitting here.
There's a
There's
nice
solid
item sitting in that side. Hey, look at this. Wow,
Hey,
man.
Turn the
Hey,
fan this
turn
side,
this
man.
side too, man.
Hey,
Wow.
Hey.
Ill-mannered
Very
fellows.
nice, man.
Disgusting to see these
Hey.
people. He forgot.
Very hot,
man.
Put the fan speed high, man.
Hey. Look at,
Yeah, like that.
Hey, come, let's go, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Come.
Yeah, come.
What? Okay.
Hello?
Hey, did you say anything?
No, I didn't.
I am the one calling you.
Hey, who are you?
It's me only. Put on your zips. Don't even turn your phone towards any girl again, okay?
I won't do anything.
We won't do
Understood?
anything.
What is this my slipper torn?
Here, sir, try it on. No, I don't want, sir. You have come with madam, sir, so I don't want money.
No problem. Take it, Ramdas.
Ah,
Sir, I was begging for money on the road, sir. Sir, madam understood my problem and got me this job, sir. She helped me. Today you come with her. How can I take money from you, sir?
Okay, Ramdas, I'll
Okay,
come
madam.
again.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Shweta.
Oh, hi.
I was looking for you everywhere. We were going out for sightseeing. Come
Oh.
on.
Sonu, will you come with us? Sonu, come on. Let's go. Come. Five
Hey,
tickets.
Shweta, I'll buy the tickets.
Hey, I'll get the ticket. Hurry up,
Hurry
please.
up. I'll buy it. Move.
It's
Give it to me.
okay.
Hey,
I'll get the
listen
ticket.
to me. I'm telling
no,
you.
I'll only get
Hey,
the ticket.
I'll buy
it's
it.
okay, yeah,
Give
no
it to me the
problem.
next time. Don't worry.
Why you guys
I'll
are
buy
thinking
it.
like this?
you saved your dignity. Because of that slipper, you lost 5 rupees unwantedly. Dear Sonu, do you have brain? The girl called you and you followed her. Did you see in your pocket just 5 rupees? 5 rupees, only 5 rupees. What is your status, man? She is a very rich girl. Don't you see how she spends money? And what about you? What? Don't you feel ashamed in front of her? Huh? Don't you feel ashamed? What?
I think his mind is collapsed.
Why I am blabbering like an idiot in front of this mirror? What he is thinking about me? Huh?
Sonu, keep this money with you. You have to spend it with everyone. Okay?
You are killing me by drinking like a drunkard.
Hey,
Why
hey,
are you
what are
doing
you
like
doing?
this?
Without food, how can I
Always you
sleep?
are doing like this.
Hey,
Please
I'm
leave
going
me.
to kill you. You will fight with me.
Anybody help
Huh?
me,
I will
please.
kill you. I won't spare you. I won't leave you alive. Madam, give me the name of Allah. Give me the name of God. How
Why
dare
are you ruining my
You will
life?
fight with
Always
me.
fighting with me.
I will kill you. You will fight with me. I won't spare your life.
Help me, please.
What are you doing? I won't leave you. Yes, I drink alcohol. So what?
Help
Hey,
me,
I won't leave you. Hey,
Scoundrel.
hey, who is that? Who is that? Hey, who is that?
How
Who are
dare
you?
you?
Hey, who are you? Why are you hitting me? Hey,
You're a
hey,
cheap
you.
person.
Hey,
Huh?
who are you?
You don't know me. I'll show you who I am.
Leave me.
Come to the
Leave me.
police station.
Hey, leave
I
me.
can forgive everything,
leave
but
me.
not you. Come with me.
Leave me.
Come with me.
Hey, girl. He is my husband. I don't care if they beat me or kill me.
Shut up! I'm not beating him because he beated you. He has betrayed me. I can tolerate anything in this world, but not lies, okay? You go to the police station.
Sign this complaint here.
Did you see, Sonu? How dare he betrayed me? I really don't believe these kind of people exist in this world. Such kind of people should be shot dead. Sonu, I can't able to forgive the people who lied to me. Such kind of people should be rot in jail. I can't forgive this kind of cheaters forever. I just hate him. Okay, Sonu. See you tomorrow. Such kind of people should be rot in jail. I can't forgive this kind of cheaters forever. I just hate him. I can't able to forgive the people who lied to me.
Hey, think about it. An ordinary beggar cheated on her. She couldn't bear it actually. And you have been pretending to be a dumb since so many days. What will she think if she find out?
Look, Sono, if you had friendship with Sweta, it wouldn't have been so easy. But if you're really in love with her, it's better to tell her that you are not dumb, okay?
Don't say that. The girl has befriended him, think he's really dumb. When we tell him the truth, won't the girl leave him and you don't know that?
Don't be foolish. Someday Sweta will come to know that you are not dumb, okay? Then think about it, how sad she will be. So it's better to tell her now. Sono, be practical and think.
You have talked about lakhs of rupees. He is not a dumb. It won't be right to tell Sweta. But it won't be right to hide the truth either. Huh? Hey Sonu, let's first tell a small lie and see what is Sweta's reaction. After her reaction, we will think of something else. It is true that you are not dumb. Whether to tell her or not, we will decide later. What do you say?
Sonu, what happened? What are you thinking like this? What happened, Sonu? Tell me. Actually, I have lied to you. Did you lie to me? Lie? You lied to me? Tell me, what did you lie to me? It wasn't true that I won a gold medal in college. Can you leave me alone for some time? I want to be alone. Go. Look, Sonu, I always want to tell you something. I'm too selfish. Do you know why I became friend with you? Because I want to show a good attitude in Bharatanatyam. And I thought I can learn from you by being your friend. My dance teacher told me that. That's the reason I became friend with you, Sonu. Our friendship is not like what you think, okay? I'm very sorry. A while ago, whatever I said to you was a total lie, okay? After lie to you, I can't able to be normal for 5 minutes, okay? But how can you stay calm for many days, Sonu? I'll accept that I lied to you first time to become your friend, okay? But after that, I didn't lie. Even for once, I didn't lie, Sonu. If you have ever been in a friendship with your true heart, Sonu, you could have already understood the pain what I'm going through now. When someone is friendly with the bottom of their heart, they can't lie to each other. And if they did such a kind of things, that's not a true friendship, Sonu. From now on, there should be only truth between us, okay? There should be no lies at all. You shouldn't lie under any circumstances. Please, promise me. You will never lie to me again, right? Tell me. Tell me, Sonu.
Hi, Ashok. Congratulations,
How are
man.
Thank you.
Vicky?
A small gift.
Our Balu, Daja, my son Ashok have settled in America. And what about you?
Mom, keep quiet. Hey, come here. Why are you giving me a gift? I will see in America, man. And if I see it, it will remind me to tell you to go to America every time. That's why I keep it with you. Look, Vicky, it is very difficult to get visa. The government has passed new rules. You can go to America without hard work. I will tell you an idea. If you need an American visa, it is in your house. Why? You couldn't understand anything? Hey, what man? Shweta. If you really get married with Shweta, then you'll have to become an American citizen. Shweta's like a doll in front of everyone's eyes, you know. The closer you get to Shweta, the closer America will come to you. Good luck.
When someone is friendly with the bottom of their heart, they can't lie to each other. And if they did such a kind of things, that's not a true friendship, Sonu.
Vikram here. Hello, who is speaking?
I'm Sonu speaking.
Sonu? Which Sonu?
I'm Shweta's friend Sonu.
Shweta's friend Sonu? Is he talking? Hold on a minute. I'll call Shweta. Hey, Shweta! Some idiot is calling you, using Sonu's name to talk to you. Just tell them don't ever call me again, okay?
Hello? 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 Shweta here?
I'm Sonu speaking.
Which Sonu?
I'm the same painter.
Shut up. Instead of calling by someone's name, you come directly to my house. If you really want to talk to me next time means, don't use Sonu's name, okay? And what the hell do you know about Sonu? He's my best friend, a great painter. In his heart, there can't be any deceit other than goodness, okay? Listen, he is dumb. He can't speak. If you call again by using Sonu's name, I'll file a police complaint. So don't try to cheat me. Understand? Hi Sonu. I was just calling Chotu asking about you. You came in between. Did you know who came? Come inside.
Hello, friend. Have you come from America to see me or see your daughter?
What are you saying?
Daddy, do you know who he is?
Sonu.
Exactly. Sonu, my daddy, my mommy.
Namaste.
Hi.
Come on, son. Come on. Sonu, sit.
Please sit
come,
down.
come.
Come
Sit down. Sit down. Sweta's told me everything about you. If you can't speak means it's okay. We can understand you. If you're not talking means it's okay. God is always with you when you need. God bless you, my child.
Sonu, do you know what happened a while ago? Some rascal called me and told me that Sonu is talking. He tried to cheat me, Sonu. Sonu, have you seen how many lies people can tell to make a friend with a girl?
I was the one who received the call, Sonu. The voice I heard in the call is exactly like you. If you speak in the phone, it's just like your voice. Did you believe that?
Sonu, when did you come? Okay, the food is ready. All of you come inside and eat.
Come on. Sit. Come on.
Sonu.
Come on, sit
Give me
down.
that.
We will watch film tonight, okay?
Sonu, come and sit here.
Sorry, sir. I'm not dumb as you're thinking. I pretended to be a dumb to make friendship with Sweta, that's why. I cheated all of you.
Sweta, he's very good boy. He is innocent boy. This is his truth.
Did you see how much sin he has filled in his heart? He was acting dumb and trying to trap you.
You rascal! After all, you are a street painter. I considered you as a family member and hug you. Do you think I'm a mad? Shweta, did you see that? Yesterday that beggar cheated on me. Today this painter also same. Don't ever trust anyone. Sorry to say this.
You cheat? How dare you cheat me? How could you cheat me? Go from here. Go away from here. Don't ever come again. Hey, Sonu. Everyone is waiting for you. Come fast.
Come Sonu. Sit down, sit down.
Sit, son.
Sit, Sonu. Hello.
What is it?
Did Sonu came here?
No, he didn't come here.
I haven't seen Sonu for last 4 days. If he come, tell him to come to my house. Okay?
Okay. This is a different matter. Hello. Your item has left. Come out. Hey, why are you making him drink, man?
You shut up. He is very upset since the 4 days. If you ask too much, he will get more upset. That's why we have brought him. If he drinks a little, he will get relaxed. Or maybe he will share his pain with us.
Hey Sonu, why didn't you meet Sweta? She was calling me in the office and asking. Tell me what happened between you both, man.
Dude, when someone is true to his heart, he can't lie, man. And when someone lies, he is not true to his heart, am I right?
Who taught you to give speeches, man? Politicians?
No, Shweta did.
Is that true? Shweta is addicted to booze?
Hey, will you keep your mouth shut? You tell me, Sonu.
Riyaz, I love Shweta with all my heart. But I am deceiving her by lying, man. That's why I am scared to meet her.
But tell her the truth, man.
If I tell the truth, Shweta will get away from me. If I am keep lying, my heart is keep pushing me. I don't know what to do now.
Hey! Sorry. I'm sorry. I went for shopping. I saw this beautiful painting of Nadraj and I missed you. That's why I brought it. It's fine. What, Shweta? You didn't like it?
No, it's very nice.
Then what happened?
Actually, this painting reminds me of Sonu. It's been 10 days since I saw him. I don't know where he have gone, what have happened to him. No matter where he is, I'll find him today.
Hey, what
Hey,
happened, man?
man?
Hey, what happened?
Hey,
What
hey,
happened?
who's that?
He fell down from the
Hey,
stairs.
like
someone
oh
has
my God.
fallen from top side.
God.
Hey,
he fell
move,
down.
move. Hey,
Oh.
call the ambulance, man.
What happened?
Somebody come on, call the ambulance.
Don't stand
my
here. Don't
God.
stand here.
Hey,
Go away.
Blood.
the
Don't
vehicle
stand
is full
there.
of blood. What happened to him?
Just move,
Is he
people.
alive or not?
Oh my God.
Hey,
Oh,
move,
what
move,
happened?
move.
Don't stand there.
Go that
So sad,
side.
na?
Oh God.
Don't stand here.
So sad.
got
Go,
hurt.
go.
Such a good
No, no,
guy.
no. Hey, what happened, yaar?
He's alive or
Yeah.
dead.
Oh.
Did you see that?
My God.
I didn't see, man.
Excuse me. Did anyone bring the painter who is bleeding?
He died 2 hours ago, madam. His body is kept in the corpse room, ma'am. Who do you want?
Oh my God.
Listen, some painter's
Yes,
body
let come.
came,
The
right?
whole body was covered in blood. What happened to you?
I want to
You
see
can't
the
see
body.
like this. First, bring a letter from the superintendent. Then I will show you the body, ma'am.
Sonu.
Why, man? The day you were swearing in the restaurant that you won't meet Sweta, then why are you making her picture today?
Yes, man. I didn't even want to see Sweta till yesterday. But when the boy who used to work with me fell down from the top, she thought it was me and reached the hospital. And after seeing me safe, she hugged me and started crying loudly. And after seeing her, I decided to stay away from her.
Oh, shit!
What happened, Vicky? You used to knock down all the kings in one go, but what happened today? Is it because of Sweta? It's okay if the king didn't fail, but it's important to impress Sweta. Look, Vicky, you should keep giving gifts and parties to girls these days, you know? That's very important. If there is even a little gap, someone else will come in and woo you.
I won't let anyone in now. Hey, come early in the evening. Everyone will go to watch movie together. What happened? Why did you become so quiet? You were talking till now.
Hey, whoever I see here looks like Shweta to me. That's why I'm.
That's why?
That's why, babe.
What happened, man?
Babe.
That's okay. You will come early in the evening after meeting Sweta, right? Hey,
go.
why don't you speak anything? Oh.
Yeah. Columbus. Excuse me, madam. Can I get cigarette?
Stupid.
Do you have cigarette?
Hey, get lost, man. Very stupid fellow.
Excuse me. Do you have cigarette? Do you have or not? Hey, tell me, man. Were you away or not? Tell me quickly, man. Oh, speak up, man. Do you have cigarette or not? Hey, I'm asking you, man. Do you have cigarette or not? Let me check in your pocket. Money. You don't have money to buy a cigarette. You are wearing check shirt, wearing jeans and pant. What will you buy with this money? So where will you go from here? Will you walk on the road? Will you take a bus? Don't you buy a ticket? Without ticket you traveling bus? Hey, tell me, man, are you dumb? Hey! You kept the money in your pocket and come to flirt with the girls. Bro, are you alone or is the whole group is here? Why are you staring at me so angrily? Why are you grinding your teeth? Will you hit me? Will you hit me? Hit me! Hit me! Hit me! Look, man, bro, I've been asking for so long. You're not saying anything. Are you not a man? Can't you hear me? Are you deaf? Are you dumb?
Am I dumb? Huh? Tell me, which language should I speak in? Tell me, Gujarati, Bengali, which language you want me to speak? Tell me.
Sir. Don't feel bad, sir. We are from TV channel, sir. Nothing, sir. We started a new program named Bakra Banao, sir. Look there, sir. Our entire crew is there, sir. Yes, sir. We have started this program to know the patience of the public, sir. Okay, sir? Don't worry, sir. I am very sorry, sir. 1 second, sir.
If you told me earlier, it wouldn't happen, no? I can speak, man. I can speak well. Huh? I can sing as well. Huh? Ba ba. Ba ba. Ba ba ba.
My car met with an accident.
Oh, ba ba.
Yeah, I'm fine. But the car get damaged. It went to work.
Come. Get the information from me about your future. Come here. Come and see here. I will see your
What's all
future.
this?
Come on.
Ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba.
Really?
Ba.
Hey, Ramba always speak the truth only. She won't lie to you. In India, Kargil was happened in 1999. This Ramba told me about it. Ramba, take out a letter for a madam. Madam, what is your name?
I'll tell you later. First tell about
What
him.
about you, sir? Ramba, first take out a letter for a sir. Sir, what is your name?
Sonu.
What, madam? Doesn't sir speak?
No. He can't speak.
Ramba, take out a letter for Sonu name. Take it out. It will be good for everyone. My Ramba stole the stars for our sir. Sir, good days are about to come. Why has Narada has come to you? You say that sir doesn't speak, but he says that sir has come, Narada Muniji. If you open his mouth, there will be a big fight to everyone. According to him, it's a different manner. I think he's telling you lie, ma'am. He's lying. Definitely he is lying, ma'am. What are you doing, sir? I swear, my Ramba won't tell lie, but she speaks truth only. She won't tell lie, ma'am. He is not a dumb and deaf.
Hey, I'm not dumb.
Ma'am, see this guy is speaking. Ma'am, see, look at here. Look at here. Ma'am.
Shut up.
Sweta,
What happened, Vicky?
wish you many happy returns of the day, Sweta.
Thank you. Today is my birthday. How did you come to know about my birthday? Even my passport doesn't have an original date of birth.
Look, Sweta, before we become one, both of us should know everything about each other.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Sweta, what happened? What are you thinking?
Everyone came to my party. It would be so nice if you have called Sonu.
Sorry, Sweta. I forgot to call Sonu in a hurry. I'm really sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. You know about me, but he doesn't know that today is my birthday.
Hey Shweta, do you think Sonu is Vicky? Should I find out about your birthday and give him a surprise?
Sweta, I am very happy today
Why?
because I gave you a birthday surprise.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know.
Vicky, stop the car.
No.
Best wishes for your birthday. When you love someone with all your heart, you should let her fly like a parrot. If she loves you, she'll definitely come back.
This wording must have been made by Sonu.
Fantastic. He can't able to talk, but he said lot on your birthday.
I know we like each other. We know everything about each other. Sweta, let's go.
I really want to meet Sonu.
Idiot. Idiot.
I am going to college. I am going to college. I came first in college. I came first in college. I can speak any language very well. I can speak any language very well.
Hey. First time is he learning English in 3 words of English. He's also speaking wrongly. Why is rapping English, man?
Yesterday, Shweta went to market with Vicky. You know how Vicky was speaking very stylish to everyone?
That's why?
I'm also learning to speak.
What will you do after that?
I will learn everything.
Hey, Vicky speaks in English. That's why are you trying to learn English? What if he speaks Chinese?
Then I will also try the... Oh my god, I forget, man. Sorry. I forget that I had learned that.
Why? At least speak once. You know only one language. Only speak to animals. He is also speak only one word like a goat. Man.
Listen, man. Do you have a problem with Vikram and Sweta's pair?
It's not like that. I know Shweta and Vicky will make a very good pair. But still my heart doesn't agree that.
Oh, must have come now. Hey, Sweta's come, man.
How did Shweta come here? What will happen to me? Where should I go?
Stop this drama. Without informing us, you called Sweta here. And now you are doing this.
Hey, believe me, I didn't call here her, man. What should I do now? Hey, please make her sit inside, man, please. Otherwise, I will die. Hey, don't forget, I'm a dumb. Oh my god. If Sweta see these paintings, everything will be get ruined. Should get this out of here now.
Hi, Sweta.
Hi.
Hi. Have you been waiting for a long time?
Just now I came.
Even I have just come. I didn't see from upstairs. Is that correct?
What?
Hey, nothing. You just come inside.
Yeah, come inside.
If you move your legs, then only I can come
Oh,
inside.
yes. Come.
Sonu, what are you doing? Oh, really? Then why didn't you come to my home yesterday? Was there a lot of work? You could have at least called me, right? I'm sorry, Sonu. Your room is very nice. If there was a painting on this walls, it would have been even better, right? This is the first time I came to your house. Don't you even give me a cup of coffee?
Hey, that's salt. This is a sugar. Hey, Sonu, give me the spoon. I thought you were going to shout mom or dad, but you have made your character strong in front of me. You can manage into Shweta, definitely.
Hey, nothing like that. I'm making coffee intention that she should not see anything here.
Come here. Why did you do this? So beautiful, so natural. This Rajasthani girl's painting is very beautiful. Sonu, why didn't you show me this painting earlier? I'll show it to all my friends, okay? Thank you.
What happened? Why are you looking so sad today?
Nothing, brother. India Sri Lanka World Cup match is going on, man. Sachin Tendulkar must be watching till it now. I can't watch that match. This is the only pain on my face.
Hey, you want to see the match, right? Come, let's go to Sweta house.
Sweta's house?
What is it? Sweta? No. She gone out.
The car is here only?
She left the two-wheeler and gone with the four-wheeler.
Vicky, who is it?
Sweta is inside only.
Shweta, our Sonu has come.
Call him inside.
Go inside.
Hello, I am Sachin Tendulkar.
Hi.
Sonu's very good friend. I am great painter. Great cricketer also. What is this? Your hair has turned white. Are you crow?
Hey, shut up.
Hey, you hit the cross again.
Hey, careful, she will feel bad.
You act as if you are dumb, okay? I will talk. I can talk.
I made mistake by bringing you here.
Hit man. Hit the cross again.
What happened? He hit the cross again. Uncle, come fast. Sachin playing so great.
We'll kill him again.
Wow. Sorry, Sonu. I'm sorry.
He's eating again for. Shit. Sachin out. India be out.
At least the tension will be less if we change the channel. Oh, take it easy program. This program is very good. Do you know?
Columbus. Excuse me, madam. Can I get cigarette? Do you have?
Hey, Sonu.
Get lost.
What a surprise. I mean, you're in
You?
this program.
You have cigarette?
Why didn't you tell me
Can I
earlier?
get cigarette?
Huh?
Tell me, man, will you get it or not? Say something quickly, man. I'm leaving, man.
1 minute. I'll call auntie right now.
I'll get it for you, man. Hey, man, you have cigarette or not? Tell me.
What do we do now?
Hey,
We should shut it down, man.
Hey,
Where is the plug point?
what to do?
Hey, check out there.
Hey, look
Look there, man. What are you doing? Where? How could
Are
I?
you here to teach me or get me out?
What is this?
Auntie,
what
Sonu
are
is
you
coming
doing?
to TV.
Come, let's go.
What are you doing now?
What is this? Shall we
Look
cover
at
this?
you. Do by this, man. Look
Give
at
it.
that. Tell me.
Hey, get lost, you idiot.
What is this?
Shall we break this TV now? Okay.
Super idea. You keep breaking it, man.
Hey, where are you going? Come on. Let's do this. Hold it.
told you, right?
Catch it. Come on.
Hey,
Pick it up.
boy, Sonu.
Where is it?
Your program will be on TV, huh? You didn't tell us. Let's see the program, man. Hey, come, let's
Sir,
see.
you're a big shot. He's a big shot, right? Sonu will be ashamed to watch TV sitting next to
Hey,
you, sir.
what's that to be ashamed, man? Come, let's see. Come, sit down.
Hey, Sonu,
Come,
sit
are you
here.
hitting me?
Sit.
Hey, talk to me, man. Can I get a cigarette or not? Hey, I'm asking you only, man. Will I get cigarette or not? Huh? Money. Don't you have money to buy a cigarette?
Sonu,
Look here,
You
bro.
can't speak.
How long you have
How
been
do you
waiting
came
here?
inside?
You don't have money to buy
you.
cigarette. You will know everything in some time. Have you worn a check shirt? Wore jeans and pant?
hey Vicky,
Seeing like a
read
good
it
man,
later.
but don't
Kamala
have any
Sonu
money.
Is coming on
Do you
TV.
have cigarette
Come
or
on,
not?
Let's see.
Tell me, man. Will you go without ticket? Hey, tell me, are you dumb? Hey,
You look
Without
like a
money, how
hero
you
on
go to
TV,
buy
man.
ticket,
Within
Hey,
a
man,
second, you're
tell
going
me.
to be zero in
What
some
you
time,
doing?
man.
Tell me, man. What are you doing? Will you hit me? Hit. Can't you hear me? Brother, can you hear me? Brother, can you hear me? I'm talking to you, man. Brother, I'm talking to you. Brother, are you dumb or deaf? Tell me, are you going to kill me? Can't you hear me, man? Are you deaf? Are you dumb?
Shit. Why suddenly power cut happened?
It was fun watching to TV with them, right?
Sono,
Sir?
look at this design and paint it on the board, okay? The client is in a hurry. Don't be careless.
Sir, if you don't mind, can I give you a small idea?
What is it, man?
The boarding is at a very good place. Background is also sky blue. Design in blue color. Design will not good look there, sir.
Will you tell me about the colors? Will you teach me? Stupid. What do you know about the computer design, man? Huh? What is it? What are you looking at? Tell me. What do you know about the computer design?
Sir.
Come on, tell me.
I don't know about computer design, sir. But I know the color of drawing done by hand. That's why I am.
Is it? So you're explaining to me. What are you doing? Come and sit here. Design and show me. What are you looking at like this crazy? You can't do anything. You have to work according to me. Do you listen to me?
Sir, just listen to
Don't
me.
talk. Attender,
Yes, sir.
please send him out.
Sir, come on, let's go, sir. Let's go out, sir. Come
The
come
one
out.
who paints with the boxes, he's explained about the color to me. He's a big painter. He's showing an attitude to me.
Sonu! Why are you so sad? Any problem? Okay. Now we are going to an important place. Come. Come on, Sonu. Come, Sonu.
Why, Sonu? Are you surprised to know how your paintings came here? Shweta has arranged all this.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, our India's very famous artist Mr. Fernandez has come here. Today he going to talk about the painting of Sonu. Please come, sir.
Welcome. Because of my friend, Kumari Sweta had requested me to come as a special guest in this exhibition. So I have come here. Sonu, who makes such beautiful paints, can't talk. But this world will keep talking about his hearts. If Sweta hadn't called me here, it wouldn't have been able to look at the designs of Sonu. So I'm very lucky to come here. Mr. Sonu, please come.
Congratulations to the painter Sonu. Hey, Sonu photo has been published in the newspaper. There will be party to celebrate become All India artist.
This news came on TV in the morning, right? Brother, how to celebrate this happiness? Today I'm seriously thinking about it.
What are you thinking, man? Whether we get happiness or sorrow, we will get in deeper bar. We can go and enjoy that, man.
Hey, today is Gandhi Jayanti, man. Bar will be closed.
Then we go Desi bar.
There is also Gandhi Jayanti.
Shit. Gandhi Jayanti people even know about the Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, let's go to our own wine shop. Let's go, man.
Our own wine shop? Where is it, son?
Here's our wine shop. Enjoy. The problems in everyone's life, it can be only 2,000 or only 5,000, man. But Sonu was not afraid of them. For example, like this old monk. Like Sonu faces love with his painting only. And for this black label bottle, that also can be fine. Sonu, considering it a royal challenge, publish it on TV and paper today and proved it as a red label on this bottle, okay? Sonu is standing in front of me as a Napoleon brand. Sonu, From today, there will be no black night in your life because you are like a kingfisher, man. All of them. Cheers. Why, man? The golden eagle flying in joy, standing quietly like a winged bird. Huh? Sonu? Hey, the whole city is singing your praises. And why are you standing so sad?
I wanted to be a great artist since my childhood. When I came to city to get a job, I was given a job out of kindness. But no one recognized my talent and gave me a job. I'm not sad thinking that I'm an ordinary human being. But seeing the pictures I have made, I was waiting for a great person to praise me someday. And I thought that was happening to me. Totally all my dreams and goals have been fulfilled through Shweta. I can talk to Shweta, but I hide the truth. I even hide my love. I made a big mistake till now. But just for her help, there is only one word to say thanks to her, and I can't even say that. That's why my heart is aching. That's why I won't hide anything from Shweta. I will go and tell her the truth.
What is this? Shweta, what are you doing? You have thought it through, haven't you?
Yes, Auntie. I really love Sonu.
Look, dear Sweta, we want to talk to our neighbor while traveling alone. In a small journey, we need someone to talk to. How will you spend your whole time with that mute man?
Uncle, love doesn't just mean talking to each other. It's about understanding each other. You don't have to talk to him for me, Uncle.
Shweta, I know that you don't like my Vicky. But dear, it's wrong that you love Sonu. You have mercy on her.
If I had mercy on Sonu, I would have gone missing after helping him. You know, I don't know why I have become so attached to Sonu. Once, he lied to me about his college studies. That's a small lie. But within few days, he told me the truth. For that honest heart, I fall in love with him. When I came to know that I'm moving to America, that's when I realized the real intention of me towards Sonu. My love is so deep, Uncle. Vicky, love cannot be come by force, Vicky. I'm sorry. I hope you'll understand me.
No, Sweta. I am the one who said sorry. I know you don't like lies. I know it very well. Yet I lied. I pretend to be a good person. Do you know why? If you love me, I might be able to settle in America. But Sonu is not like that. There is a truth in his love. On your birthday, I came to know the meaning of the poem written by Sonu. If I had loved with all my heart, you would have loved me back too. But I have never loved you, Sweta. Only America. Only America.
Look, Vicky, if you love someone, you should trust them with your whole heart. I have a full faith in Sonu. He can never deceive me.
All the best, Sweta. Sweta, did you tell your feelings to Sonu?
No, Vicky. Actually, Sonu likes the night of Poonam very much. On that day, I'll express my love to Sonu. Get this, auntie. This is my dance program invitation. Just sending Lakshmi to my program is not enough. You should also come, auntie.
Mom, ask Kirti to reduce the volume on the TV. Come on, Shweta. Shweta, I'm giving you an advice. Don't take it wrongly. At least you should take the blessings of your dance teacher for this dance program today. You may think that is wrong to touch your teacher's feet, but we are his students. We should respect them.
I respect the teacher, but if you want me to touch your feet, I don't believe that respect. If you tell me out of concern, I'll think about it. Just only for you. Don't talk about it now.
Okay. Oh, yes. That day you showed me Sonu. Was it love or compassion? I didn't understand. What was that? You have decided now?
I have already decided and told everything. Not just to my uncle. I also said to my parents who live in America.
What did you tell them?
The same thing that I should have told them.
What did you tell them? Tell me.
I told them I'm going to marry Sonu. That's what I told them.
Oh, you are feeling shy? The girl who never feels shy is feeling shy. Shweta auntie, the uncle whom we brought home yesterday, that uncle is coming on TV today.
Oh,
hey, let's go.
Come, let's go. Looks like they're telecasting the Take It Easy program again. This time I'll watch the whole program.
What? Am I dumb? In which language you want me to speak? Gujarati, Bengali. Which language you want? Tell me. Tell. Which language you want? Which language you want? Tell me. If you had told me earlier, this would not happen now. I can speak. I can speak well. I can even sing.
Hey, Sweta.
Hi, Sweta.
Where is Sonu? Can Sonu speak? Tell me, can Sonu speak?
No. How he can talk? He's a dumb person.
I know everything. I have seen him talking on TV by myself.
Listen to me. I hide this from you because
Stop it.
He went to your house to tell the truth. Why he hide from you? He hasn't come back after going there. He searched everywhere. We don't know where he went. That's why we are trying to call him. But unfortunately, we couldn't reach him.
Oh my God, what?
Correct. Today is full moon day. Sonu will definitely be found near the sea temple.
Sonu. Why you did this to me, Sonu? Why you did me such a big betrayal? Huh? Do you really think that I don't know anything about your truth? You and that beggar turned out to be the same. You thought that I will treat you in the same way how I treated that beggar. How could you think that I'll treat you in that same way? Can't you see the difference between love and compassion? I have shown compassion to that beggar. But what I showed you was love. In my eyes, love is very pure thing. If you have told me the whole truth earlier itself means, then also my love would not be reduced. Because I love you, Sonu. It's absolutely true that I can't able to tolerate lies. So please don't lie to me anymore. Look, Sonu, past is past. Do you really know that how much happy I feel when you're with me? If you had told me the truth earlier itself, I wouldn't have to face this day, Sonu. Let it go, Sonu. Let's forget what happened. Tell me, Sonu. Talk to me, Sonu. I want to hear you say I love you to me, Sonu. Talk Talk to me, Sonu, please.
Look, Sonu. Sweta is asking to talk to you. Talk, man. Sweta, come to her home and looking for you, man. Why are you pretending now? You can talk to her. Come on, man, please. Just talk.
Shweta is asking you, man. Just talk to her, man.
Doctor?
One minute.
Please, doctor. I beg you, please. Please, doctor. I beg you, please.
No, nonsense. Do you think I'm a doctor or a butcher?
Please, doctor. Make me dumb. I don't want to speak anymore.
Shut
Please.
up! Shut up, I say! What do you think of a doctor? I cure the people who come here. I don't make them sick.
I'm too sick, doctor. I'm sick. Speaking is my sickness. Please, doctor. I beg you, please. Please, make me dumb, doctor. Please.
Don't be foolish! Should I go to the jail by making you dumb?
Doctor, you're afraid to going to jail. But I am afraid of my love, doctor. I can't betray my love anymore. I can kill myself, doctor. I can kill myself. Just wait and see.
Hey, Sonu! Please come. I want to talk to you. Sonu, I have got an idea. For a few days, you stay with us. I will show you all that I have done, the treatment I will do. After a few days, you tell Sweta that because of my treatment, you have started speaking. In this way, you will not need to lose your voice or need not to lose your love. What do you say?
Doctor, lot of girls thought I was an illiterate villager and used to make fun of me. Mostly everyone used to do that only. Only Shweta considered me as a human and was dreaming of living with me. I can't lie to such a girl, doctor.
Fool! What will you do if she finds out the truth and leaves you, man? Huh? Don't lose your voice for your love in a hurry, man. Please.
Doctor, I'm not doing this for my selfishness. She has trusted me a lot. I have betrayed her and that's why I am repenting my sins, doctor. Please understand me. I'm repenting.
Okay. One time. Can I talk to Sweta once for your love, man?
No, doctor. If you talk to her, she will understand my words and come to me. That will happen. I don't want love and compassion, doctor. I don't want to deceive her anymore, doctor, please. I want her selfless love, doctor. I want her selfless love.
Sonu, is she that good? Sonu, I'm not saying this as a doctor but as a friend. A doctor can give back the lost eyes. He can also give a heartbeat and the life to a man. If the kidney is damaged, he can change it. Moreover, he can make the brain work, okay? But the most precious thing in the world is the tongue. It is boon given by the God. Once it is gone, no doctor can give it back, man. No doctor can give it back. Because science has never been so developed. So tell me, Sonu, do you want a tongue or love?
Doctor.
You don't have to answer right now, okay? Few seconds for me. Think for few seconds, please. Please.
I need love, doctor. Not a tongue to talk.
I'll do the operation.
Doctor,
Many people have died for love in this world, man. You have been poisoned. You have been killed under a train. The pain of hanging people in 15 minutes. The pain of those who drink poison. The pain of those who die for love is a very little bit. But I see a lover like you who has suffered for love all his life is standing before me. You are great. I understood, Sonu. Next time full moon day, your love will come to you and seek for your love. I am very proud of you. If her love is true, I will do the operation.
doctor.
Sir, your operation is at 8:30. Don't eat anything before that. Everything is ready for the operation, sir. Doctor asked you to change the clothes.
Sister, shall I go now?
Yes. Why?
Can we talk after 5 minutes? Mom? Mom? Sunny? Chotu? Riaz? Shweta? Shweta? I love you, Shweta. I love you. I love you, Shweta. I love you, Shweta.
Sir, shall we go to the operation theatre?
Sister, this doctor has gone mad. While preparing for the operation, a girl named Shweta called and he suddenly said to cancel the operation. Where is the order letter? Will you help me with that?
Doctor, you have betrayed me, haven't you? You have betrayed me, haven't you? Doctor, you have betrayed me, right?
Sonu, what I did is for your own good. I'm a doctor.
Hey! You cut your body and look at its parts. How can you see the love hidden in the heart? People like you think love is a very good joke. That's why you can't understand my love, doctor.
Me? I can't betray my duty, Sonu.
Doctor, the way you can't betray your duty, like I can't betray my love, doctor. I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that anymore. Ah!
Leave them alone. Love is pure. It makes even the worst people good. In this whole world, the people who loves for time pass, but the true love like him. Sonu has proved that love is purest thing in the world. We'll all live for his selfishness. We should be very proud of Sonu, you know. He has a great love in him. He should be very happy. They both should be very, very happy.